do this. We are live, guys. That's my plan. Price breaks above this thing. Oof, I'm going long. With only 2 contracts. I don't want to risk much. Okay, 8. Okay, that's not much of a negative delta. I'm looking for something more cool. Like, let me see. Like this thing. How much? No, it's not even session. No, actually it is. Yeah, that's what I need. I need this. Where's that delta? 1,000.
People ask me all the time, what does it take to be happy?
Why would I listen to commercials? Yeah. When I see all that negative, definitely I want to see when the price goes up. Oh, that's wrong. That's a wrong playlist. I used to listen to another one. Okay, never mind. Let's listen to that. Or if you got any suggestions for some cool chill music, I'm down to listen to that. Okay. Yeah, that's what I need. Delta is kind of negative here. Minus 4.3, minus 5, but price is going up. That's what I want to trade. So delta is decreasing, but the price is increasing. Oh my goodness, what is this? What's that? 8.7? Oh wow, that's not what I want to trade. And we don't have any news after, so we are basically clear, right? Look at that. Yeah, we just passed. Oh wait, what? What is this? Why is it not showing any time? I'm not touching anything before that. Holy shit. Wait, choose. Yeah, it was actual before. Yeah, not trading before that thing. Unless I see some epic setup, which might not even happen. Oh wow, that's what I like. Let me see how 5 minutes is. Ooh, okay, absorption. 15 minutes absorption.
Sit up, you sit up, you sit up.
Wow.
You sit up,
Maybe it was loud. Oh, okay. Interesting. They're trying to push. Wow. Okay. Yeah, trying to find long from here is like, holy shit. It's easier to find short on some random structure doing stuff like... Wait, what? Did it fall through my levels of... Oh, wow. Okay. Oh, no. It is here. So I need basically 160 is the level of what I'm interested to trade. Yep. Oh my goodness. And now take all the stop losses from here. Look at that. It's gonna dip hard from here. If they will be let go. Okay, not interested in that anymore. Oh wow. What was that? 214. Look at this absorption. They're not letting price go lower. Now they did. Ooh. Ooh. Now they're gonna take all that and maybe in this box it'll reverse. Let me see, 5 minutes. Oof. Feels good. That's my point of interest. Okay. Interesting. Very interesting. Okay, it's kind of slowing down here. I wanted to pierce that where we are at. Okay, we are at this level. So liquidity has been taken and keeps getting taken. Holy shit. I want to see price to go for some stupid stuff like that. What is this? Oh, that's some bullshit thing. Yeah, right. That's what I need. I want more. I like this stupid thing. Okay. Yeah, so basically that's what I'm looking for. No. Okay, perfect. What is the major target? Let's be real. Wow, major target is this. Or maybe Fibonacci levels. This box is like closing the gap, 786, all that stuff. You know what? I will try to find a short. That would be nice, because why would I search for something else when I just pierced my box of interest? Okay, let's see how it goes. Okay, not interested in that. Okay, New York open with pretty solid move, right? Now I want to see this trend to be broken. That's my plan. Somehow, like that. Anything below that, I'm not interested. Anything above, I will start to be interested. I don't get it. Wow, it dropped like almost what, 200 bucks. Okay, not 150. I want to see it. I want to see longs to try to come back from that, but yeah, you see, delta is negative. It goes like all in. No, that's the sign of weakness right there. now we're going to follow the trend. Oh wow, and it killed the trend. Of course, I have entered. Okay, we kind of broke the trend now, and I want to get. How much was that worth? Oh wow, 300 bucks that was worth. Okay. 12, 11, 12. They're still in negative. Holy shit, they're trying to sell it. I'm not interested in that. $150 with like possibility of this nice retest, and this thing too. Stop loss is above here and stop loss right here. That's my plan. Cannot go for more. Pierce it, pierce it. I will add 2 more. Stop loss right here. Close it here. And see how it goes. My ultimate goal is 700 bucks today. What is this? It's basically that's the goal. Let's see how it goes. What was that at the top? Oh, okay. Will it take? Will it take some more? You know what? I will add somewhere here to increase my, and will it go? No, yes, no. I wouldn't even go there. Fuck. Wow, they're definitely trying to short and nobody's trying to buy. I will add. How much is the stop right there? It's 4, yeah, it's a lot. Yeah, it's like a lot of shorts are trying to play that. But they're not able to. I'm not interested in those things anymore. Okay, go, 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 go. You know what? I'm not planning to lose on this trade, right? So I'll do one bid. Oh, wow. Would I? Just in case, I will close that trade. What I made from profit. Well, we see that. Oh wow, I see another big number. You know what? I want to make it right here. Stop loss but below that. Oh wow. Okay. Okay. Will it be able to push a little bit further? So far failing. Interesting. I want to leave it somewhere here. I'm not interested in that anymore. No, don't touch it. No, touch it. Shit. Tell me you want to go there. Oh, or tell me you don't want to. Oh, wow. Okay. It's definitely something more interesting. 50 bucks I'm leaving here. Limit 3. Wow, it goes against them all. Holy shit. Please go take them all. Don't take that freaking order. Shit. Okay, I want to retest of this spot. No, 5 is a lot. That's a big delta in trouble. Let me see how Fibonacci is working. Let me do 2 contracts here. 3 contracts here. Stop loss below that, below that. Oh my god, they're trying heavy. I buy 2. Oh, I bought 3. Holy shit, that's not what I wanted. Okay. I wanted to buy 2. Get it. Get more. Get those 5s. Fibo level to the moon. And this one. This Fibo. That's a lot of shorts. Holy shit, nobody's longing. They're getting absorbed. Like nasty. How the... Okay. Will it touch it? But without flushing? Market structure, unfortunately, hasn't touched. Yeah, wow, they're trying to long it, like heavily. I mean, short. Will it touch it? Slightly, just touch it. Touch it. Look how they're trying. Touch it. Okay. And now don't touch it. That's my levels of stops here. Let me see all these stop losses that I have. Combining it 400. Holy shit. Okay. And for the longs, I'm targeting the top. Market. And I will exit with like 3 of them here. 4. Yeah, you see how interesting it's working. Okay, now longs are there. They kind of were able to push, which is great. Four, 3 was that? That's some big number, right? I just don't know how to count. Longs, longs, show them what you can, what you got. What is this? 4, 185. That's 186. That's a perfect one. And you see, not much of a pressure from longs and shorts and everything. I don't want to lose anything of what I have. Higher, higher, higher. That's lower. We need higher. We need actually to take legit one from here. 618. No, fuck. Okay. Let me see what I've got. Oh, I got 40 bucks total. They're trying to. Let's take a rest. Stop loss. Let me put like 50 points. I don't know how much is that. Okay, that was calculated perfectly. Now I'm gonna switch to 2. Wow. Okay, I like it. That might be actually, you know, the thing is, when you in doubt, zoom out. So I'll remove that bullshit. And now this trend kind of, no, it's not, it doesn't make sense. Oh yeah, it opened, so it opened here. New York opened 9:30. Yeah, that's the thing, that's the thing. Keeps falling. Trading that stuff on a bigger time frame is more fun. You see? That's for some better confluence, I assume, is gonna go in this channel too. It's like that. So far. It's funny how nobody sees me. I see some absorption again. Again, heavy selling, ultimately heavy selling. Okay. price is right here. Feels like it doesn't want to hold. I just want to see some little pullback to the top and short it from there. Now it's kind of weird for me to look for. What is this? In the middle of the range. Oh, hello, hello. Oh, the blaze again. Look, I'm like 25 minutes here. So I just had one trade, which I exited like in the perfection. $40. Hello, hello. Yeah, look at that. If it goes against that, I'm entering market long. Is this something that I want to enter? Yeah, that's something. Oh, wow. Oh, no, 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 no. News event. Look at that. Never trade news. It's all lottery. Look at this fucking destruction. You know what? Okay, now market maker is in here. Wait, did they release the news? Yeah. Oh no, it's pending, it's pending. Now they're waiting for the news to be released. Okay, nothing changed. PCI, core. A lot of longs. Very volatile. That's how news are being traded. Did you see that? I don't know if nothing on PCI, if it's yeah, I was okay. I wanna go. If it goes, I will go. Yeah, I saw that being stuck here. I don't want to go in a negative here, but I definitely want to trade. Okay, it broke the trend. My favorite tool in the world. No, why would I, right? Let me go here with 3 here. If it lets. Oh wow, that's many shorts get trapped here. I might not even. I will disable stop losses here. Nope, 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 nope. I trade for myself. I trade for the company when I'm at work. That's my personal account. And all of them that I'm copying, those are my personal. Look at that.
Hey, it's me.
What is this? I don't want to listen to that.
Sorry I haven't called for a while.
Or maybe that's something new.
Sorry I haven't been able to visit.
Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that.
I've just been really
Stop loss is 100
I know that's hard being
and another 100 here.
so long.
Show me. Wow. Yeah, I'm not touching so far this.
Back when you can. But
What is this? Is this something that I want to trade? Always sketchy, you know? Longs are strong, but not enough to break the level. You see? Shorts are trying to, but nothing special. Okay, now delta is negative. Pick me up. Pick me up. Okay, the thing is, my strategy is from here. I'm taking my orders from, okay, let me go with 2 on here. Just in case I want to be in a trade. Is 240, that's a lot. I want to get those contracts. 400 will be fine. So far this one will go to the negative. I have my stop loss set. I'm planning this to take these contracts here, like these two and these two, with the stop loss to here. Okay. Yeah, I see. What's that? Might go up. I hope it'll break this thing. That would be fine. It already dipped like that. Look, New York opened here. Already dumped a lot, but now it kind of started to accumulate. That's shitty entry, honestly. You know what? I will get rid of one contract. I don't want this to go. Actually, no, I don't want to remove it. I see a lot of shorts. We're trying to. Oh, wow. That was some big player move. I will move my stop loss to that point. Yeah, 70 bucks is okay. Just in case if it hits something. Oh, no. I don't like this moment. That's why I put my stop loss here. I don't like this thing to be at the top. You see, those guys are buying, and now they're all in negative like that sitting. And it's me not getting over leveraged. That's why I kind of don't care much. Interesting. You know what? I don't want to play that bullshit. Will I be? I will leave it here. If it hits, I'm okay with this. I see longs they cannot go through. If they can, I'm okay. Okay, now it feels like they can. Anyways, I'm guaranteed 20 bucks. Can you flush it to the top? Not to the bottom? Okay, okay, that's perfect. My plan right now is to trade fast liquidity grab, if it allows me. Will it go further? You know what? I'll risk it with 4 contracts with the stop somewhere here, 266. Yeah. What is this? 340. Yeah, that would work. Okay. Original plan was to get here. I will add more. I will add 2 more, but I will move stop loss exactly at the same spot, so it's basically risk-free. If it hits that, it'll fill out these orders, hopefully. So I'm like basically DC8, dollar cost averaged. 4 contracts here. Oh yeah, it wants to get that. Stop loss right here, just in case. You see now shorts are not able to push it so far. Take them by the liquidity. Okay, go. I like this big money. Push it. I'm here for money, not for nothing. Take it higher. to the higher highs. Bring me the higher love. Why would... Okay, perfect. Oh my goodness, I'm coming. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Blaze, are you with me here? Now I'm just trailing aggressively. I want to see what's going on my accounts. Oh my, oh my, oh my, oh my. I want to flatten everything if I see anything happening there. Oh my goodness, look at this fucking money. Even though I took a lot already out. Nope, I will put my stop loss right like that. My accounts are being unsynchronized, uncircumcised. I hate when it happens. I freaking hate when it happens. 1 second, sorry, my friend. Okay, flatten. I need to flatten everything now. Where is that? No, I don't want to close negative. You see, it's some bullshit happening. Flatten. I'm checking all my accounts. Is it? Okay, that's clear. That's clear. Now we're talking. Okay, so what we've got. $572 per this. Okay, net P&L without fees. 528. What? I'm broke. Okay, I'm not touching it. 329. Okay, since it wasn't synchronized. 452. Wow, that's some random. 347. 554. 438. You know what? I will be willing to see if anything. Yeah, definitely. I want to see that. Not getting absorbed, but okay. I'm looking for some, maybe 184 or something. Did you see my glitch a couple days ago? Funny glitch. I just posted it yesterday. I mean, you saw that. I saw your comment. Let me do some Fibonacci stuff here. Oh wow, that's a lot of shorts under the weather. Yeah, I was copy trading 20 accounts there. At least I explained my strategy, which worked for me. That was weird. Doesn't want to push? Or it doesn't? Why they are in negative? Why is this happening to me? Close position, close negative. No. Why? Look at that. They're trying to short it like crazy. I mean, long it. Look, and price is stuck there so far. Oh, that's a big one. No, I don't know. It actually got closed in the profits. It got closed on 1.5, 15,000 profits. So I was kind of okay. I don't mind. It's not that bad, but I was ultimately salty and pissed. I couldn't click anything. I restarted my computer. I did everything. Look at that. Wow. Super green. Ultimately freaking green. I want to trade this. Oh wow, 600 there. 3. Actually, no, I don't want to trade this. I don't mind trading. Yeah, that's what I was expecting. You see? This is super common thing. Market goes ultimately aggressive. Look at those numbers of sellers. Look, it's like, why when you sell 225, it goes down. 331 goes down. 605 goes down. Okay, 511 goes down. 399, and now on 800 it didn't. Here it didn't much, just slightly touched. And when price went against those guys who were aggressively trying to short, you know what? I will do this little trick and I'll explain you why later. Do you remember local liquidity closing the fair value gap, right? That's how it's called, or imbalance. And then it goes again higher. Oh wow. Ooh, I like it. 4. Wow, look, they're trying to sell. Stop loss right here. $100. Look at that, they are trying to. Oh no, never mind, I'm out. A lot of big numbers here. I'm kind of scared. With one contract I can. Like that, just to show the example how it works. So far we are rejecting from Fibonacci. Look, 618, 786 on the falling trend. Meh. I don't know. We'll see, we'll see. Anyways, if it falls here, it doesn't destroy me immediately. Touch it, touch it, touch it, touch it, touch it. I need this $50. $50 per count. Flush it quickly. Oh no, I wanted to go. You know what? Very interesting. 505, look at that. All this negative stuff, they were not able to push it. So my plan is this super local place from here to here. Oh, 618 is here. And this is here. And my stop loss is right here, $40. 60, yeah, 100. Yeah, they're trying to push with longs and shorts are dominating. You know what? I guess one contract makes sense. Risk free, almost. No, not $5 is not in. Okay, yeah, $30 I'll take it. That's not a big of a deal. And target original is it's like 1 to 3. But in fact, I'm expecting to retest this with just one contract. And the way I'll do, I'm just waiting for this to push. Now it's pushing. Risk-free trade, right? What is this? It's not even risk-free. It's $6 trade. Yeah. You see, that's my understanding. The explanation here is simple. Huge numbers didn't do anything. And now big numbers are like, okay, I'm going all in. Balls deep. Now it's going for the highs. Let's see how it goes. Usually it takes a little something like Fibonacci retracement here. Yeah, it took me out. I don't mind. Just made like what, $6, 7 something per account. And usually it reverses because these guys tried to short, but that's the local resistance. I don't want to long it anymore. By the way, did you see Dogecoin? I was thinking about you from yesterday. We were talking about, since it's getting pushed lower, that's why this. Wait, I should have. Oh wow, okay. Yeah, that's basically the plan. Or this or this. Close. But at least we haven't bought here. If it falls here, I'm buying heavily. If it drops, just, I don't know when was that. Is it today here? No, I'm not interested in that. That's nothing. I'm interested in a drop like 15%. Or maybe even lower, if possible. By the way, is today sound better in terms of music? If you can tell me, please. Because I was trying to. Oh wow! Ooh, that's what I like to short. Okay, because today it's playing not from my computer, like external sound, but I made it like to go straight from the what's like sound card. What's that? I like this. 1.2k. Not yet. I don't like it much yet. This area is something that is interesting for me to short. What is that? I missed it. Oh, holy shit, no, I'm not interested in that, to short that. Once it goes to any positive, I am out. That's the numbers that I don't wanna pay. 40 is okay. I want it to flush to like Fibonacci levels here, if possible. To like here. Let me take this level here, out. First. No, I'm not playing that. Risk free again, just in case. Oh, I wasn't able to move it. Okay, yeah. The thing is, they can't do anything, so I don't want to do that. Look at that. That would have been minus $105. If it gets there. From here, that would have been completely different story, right? Look, from here it's $40 with a possibility to get here as fast as possible, maybe. And I will be able to move at least stop loss if it doesn't squeeze them like hardcore. Why would I even? Yeah, like that. Oh, okay, I like it so far. Oh, I hate when I see second candle like this one. Usually it takes me out. Yeah, like that. Okay, we are in the area of a big freaking resistance. And I'm not sure if price wants to get there. I have a plan here for Nasdaq. Oh wow, yeah, that's the plan, which is kind of irrelevant anymore. Oh wow, we are not even alone here. And now we're probably alone, because I see concurrent viewers. This? Look at that. Interesting. Will it push there? No, yes, no. How much is that? 30. Dirty 30. No. Not longing in resistance. It's just weird. Doge. So for Bitcoin, same thing. I posted today. I don't know if you are on Telegram or not. Posted today that I'm expecting if price gets to this level, it's gonna be going up hardcore. If not, sorry, it'll flush. And it selected the second option. Yeah, this little resistance. Am I interested in that? You got any questions, Blaze? Maybe just ask me anything. I like that you came here. I was sitting here for like 25 minutes and people are like, yesterday, my friend, dude, it was just free course. So it's basically what I've got here today. Count wise, yes, 600, 612, 5, 400. Holy shit, useless account. Wow, that's some good absorption right there. Enjoy, guys, being poor. 67. And one more market. 84. Interesting. So these highs, I'm targeting these highs. Do I need to target highs actually? Oh wow, okay. Yeah, I need to. Oh my goodness, that's some whoo calculated. Was it calculated? Oh, holy smokes. Now this 1k 300 at 300 is gonna be a good defense level. I'm just checking if I see anything. Oh, yeah, I'm just explaining how markets are moving. Shorts are trying to short. Usually price goes to levels where you see something weird, right? Like weird, by weird I mean it goes straight like the butter through that stuff, because there were no trades done. Price just flies through that. If I see price going up, or maybe not, yeah, they're trying to sell. I just want to see if anything. Yeah, done. I'm actually done for today in terms of trading. Just checking my accounts that nothing has been left. It's a pure price action and market structure, market making structure, psychology of people losing money. And I trade against the crowd. Like every time you see me, I'm saying, yeah, look, now it's this thing, price usually flies through that to the next resistance level. Resistance is where at least something has been happening. You see, it's sell, buy, sell, buy. Yeah, you see, it's there already. Thank you. It's all experience. But the thing is, yeah, because I just see numbers, you can see it. It's just huge. It's all red, but price didn't go up. That's why I entered here with the stop loss here, and or I lose this, which is less likely, or I will win whatever just happened. And that this is how it works. And like yesterday we were saying, price goes in zigzags. That's some bullshit thing which people sell this thing for money, but I wouldn't. It's like it's gonna go further like that until it fails, of course. But so far, this market structure thing, that's where it's gonna retest right now and maybe go up. I'm not touching it anymore because I made enough. Oh wow, 666. Wow, 666. Okay. Yeah, and now it's gonna go to retest this thing. But the thing is, if they get stuck with a lot of trades here and price go, look, they're trying to short, price doesn't go anywhere. Big player is just absorbing everything, just eating everything, unless it displaces it like to here, but it doesn't make sense. Although everyone who is longing aggressively, they have their stop loss here, 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 here. That's why usually if something happens, it flashes like in seconds, literally, to this fair value gap or imbalance or whatever is that. So far, market cannot push, but it won't last long, I'm pretty sure. If price goes against that on 292, that would make sense to take a short, but going short when market is super oversold is kind of stupid, right? You don't want to sell your Bitcoin when it hit 15,500 from 69,420. You want to look at any shitcoins so far? Look at that. Wow, that's some beautiful absorption. Holy shit. I need price to break this thing like that. Look at the risk here. Oh, it's 50 bucks. Wow, that's a big one. And look at that if we make it. to like here maybe. Oh, shorts. Another 1,000 is stuck. Or maybe longs. Actually, no, I see a lot more longs. It's a lot more longs. Do you see on the stream? Yeah, I moved it. You can see it now. 1 second. Yeah, you can see how they're buying like 1.7k. Okay, it jumped, but here it's not. Look, that's what I was looking for. And I immediately gonna move my stop loss right there. Will it flush? Go lower, brother. I want to lock it with immediately, like once it gets to there. Yep, like that, like that, like that. Risk free. Why wouldn't you even flush it? Lower, lower, brother. Lower. I want to get it here and trail. I wanted to make it here. Look, it's a lot of longs right now trying. Oh, yeah. Okay. You know what? No, I don't want to. Every time it reaches the bottom like that with big number, it jumps. Bottom with big number, kind of jumps. But right now I'm going in because I see this and I will try to sell. Actually, no, that was the wrong one. Nope, 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 no, 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 no. Not adding, because yeah, 30 bucks here is enough of losing. Okay. Oh wow, 600. Do they want to sell it? That's the 1,000, that's the kind of mistake, little bit maybe, but we see how all those longs were not able to push it through. Yeah, you see, longs are trying. So far, they're failing, which makes me happy. Flush it lower, aggressively, to this level, to this level, and to this level. Nice. Eh. Yeah. 1738. I'm like, hey, what's up? Hello, seen your pretty face since you came in the door. I just wanna chill, got a sack for us to roll. Married to the money, introduce. Wow, that's a song. I forgot. Did you like that? That was aight. Okay, I will stop making money. 740 per account. Yeah, I just, you know, the main trick I can tell you from the years of trading and a lot of years of losing. I wasn't born as a winner. Oh, look at that. I just want to see. Look, I will show you one example. No, I don't want to show. Yeah, that's one contract. With like, let's make it here. Look. Will it touch it? Oh my god, no. Just one. This here. 55. I wanted to buy here, you see, but I just wanted to show that most likely it's gonna go flush. Look, the big numbers. Holy shit, that's fat numbers. Definitely, at least it'll go for these 30 bucks, but I'm interested in the lowest. Maybe retest of lows here. I don't know. If I see something, yeah, if I see it going lower, I'll just move my stop loss to the. Yeah, they cannot. They are trying to buy, but they can't. Yeah, I see longs. Guys, go lower. Nice. Oh, fuck that. I just don't want. I'm tired of doing this. Yeah, I usually trade, you see, small. Ooh, very dirty. Look at that. I wanna go here just for fun. How it's called, for shits and giggles. From here to here and see how 618 works. If it works. Oh, it's 50. You see, it's one contract. And anyways, yeah, 618, but you remember, it scams me a lot. That's why I put higher. Although I would assume that this is the level where it might not go anywhere. I want to make it 800. Okay. Oh, that's a big number, and price didn't go. Okay, they're trying to buy. Did I hit any stop loss today? Like billions of trades, but how markets are moving is... Oh, yeah, flush it. And you see where the price is. Look at that. All these guys, they are under the water right now. They're praying for money. And look, it's still being bought like crazy. Oh my goodness. Oh yeah, they're still buying. No, it's not that fun. I'll make it, what? $21. Guaranteed. I want to see it flushing. Lower. Okay. Now it's officially enough for me. I wish they had option of locking account completely. Right now, look what it does. You're gonna see. Now it might actually even reverse, because it just collected all the liquidity here. Sorry, I just got the message. Yeah, look at that. Now all these guys are under the water. So they were shorting and now they are stuck. Now price goes against them. Ooh, you see, big numbers. Price goes, oh wow, 600. Holy shit. If it gets stuck here, like with like 1,000 or something, I will see that huge player is playing there. Look at that. And you see, it's why it makes sense to trade. If you even risk from here, like you will try it. Oh yeah, done. They're cooked. All stop losses from here. That's it. Market got the power. That's the resistance though. Look at that. Look at that. Okay. If price goes against that guy, but so far no. I see. You see how it's fighting 1.1k. Wow. I'm not trading that. But the thing is, it's stop losses of these guys. They because when you're shorting actively, you need to sell. You need to close the position, and when you close the position, it might be a fake out. And after that, if price gets here, it'll look. I'll show you how it works. Close, but you got the idea. Yeah, it's gonna go up. Anyways, it needs to kill both directions. If they get stuck again with more, so how I ended up knowing what is happening. It's all about psychology. Whoever was trying to buy and longing that like crazy, these guys, once price goes against them, they all were putting stop loss somewhere here. Actually, I'd love to short it, honestly. Yeah, I love to short it because now I want to see it here. Stop would be, I don't know, 1 to 2. And now it might go to the opposite liquidity. Might not. Like that. Yep. Dump it. Now they are all, even more longs are in. Those who hasn't been, let's call it killed in this candle, their stop losses are here. Everyone who is longing now, they have their stop losses here. So I would assume that it's gonna be a shit show right now. Look at that. It's gonna probably flush to this level. Maybe not. Look at that. Look at that. Look at those longs, but price is failing. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Wash away my tears. Let it shine. Yeah, I don't know words of Celine Dion. Last time I heard this song, I was probably in a school hating English. Maybe now it's time for some real good Fibonacci level. Right? It's aight. Flush it. Look, this is the big fat number. Price went against. They failed to defend here. And look where I'm sitting in a short. What's that? 618. It might touch only this box. Might not. You never know. If anybody ever tells you, oh yeah, this shitcoin gonna go to the moon, no, it's not. Okay, I want to see 500 contracts here being stuck. Will we see 500 contracts being stuck? Combined maybe, yes, right? Wow. 20 bucks. To take lower. To take these markets lower. At least to that box, right? Okay, I'm not feeling risky frisky. Just dump it. Just freaking dump it. 10 bucks. I don't care. I don't want to lose anything. Since I'm in the profits, I don't want to give it back. But the thing is, I just want to see it. Oh my god, it's gonna lie. It froze. or it's a stream, or it's a... Usually it freezes right before this something freaking happens. Dump it to lower. Dump it lower. And again. Dude, I'm tired. Oh, it's 790. 792. Still, they're trying. Oh, we're lacking music. Yes, continue. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. Try to buy more longs. I see the intentions. 26 bucks is no 50. I don't want to. They're still buying, but at the same level. Look at that. And now we're in the box, right? I will move my stop loss and break even. Ooh, box is in the box. What the box is this? Sometimes it just flushes through because, you know, look at that. Look at these numbers. All of them are in negative right now. I just want to see like the nasty Fibonacci. Good old big time Fibonacci level with one contract, 200 bucks. It's already not bad, right? Will it go lower? Will it go freaking lower? Dump it, dump it, dump it. I don't want to move right now. I see the fight, and I see longs are trying to. You know what? This time I don't want to move it. I'll just leave it here. Yeah, that would be nice. Sometimes it just goes. Look at that. It's Fibonacci, by the way, local. Look. And I used to trade only Fibonacci, like you see, but here I didn't even have a chance for the retracement because this time I haven't done it because I saw all that bullshit. Too much of power to sell it. Now it might go to this level to take me out and immediately reverse. Look at those longs jumping in. Push them lower. Don't let them dominate. Yeah, the best way is to buy from here. But yeah, no, now I'm not going to short it because I see a lot shorts and price against them. Why would I even short it, right? Because it should go higher. If they don't get absorbed like crazy again, like they're... Okay, not yet. Okay, that might be another high. Because I see, you know, it's a lot. It's like they were selling thousands. It was... Oh, it was delta minimum 1,000. So it's like... Yeah. Oof. Interesting. Now it's gonna probably flush them to here if it's a bullish structure. It's funny. Let me do that thing. Just for shits and giggles. Not interested. Look at that. And price again. Okay, now interested. Now very much interested. Look at that. But the thing is, since buyers are present and I'm trying to short, I will move my stop loss immediately. Ooh, they're absorbing big time. Moving that. Moving that. What is this? Dump it, dump it. To the new lows. You see, my strategy is just to go as safe as possible and as fast as possible. Look at that beauty right there. Just one contract. You win small, but sometimes you win huge. So my strategy is to win small or huge. That's it. Nothing else. Yeah, it might dump, and it should dump. There is nothing to sell. And you see, the level that I was playing, if it goes here, it jumps somewhere here. That's what is called order block. Last candle before the big move, usually when it's even negative, that's the point of interest of the price. Look at that. Now they're trying, but they cannot. I don't know about the structure here. I would assume price wants to leave this range, but I don't know the direction, honestly. That's why I'm playing just buying and selling the range. When I was greedy, when I was buying like, oh, 50% of account, immediately liquidated. Here, my emotions are at the minimum. I just like kind of don't care. Because I can, with a small risk, you can manage your thought process and your trades ultimately easy. Look at that. And these stop losses here are of all these guys. If it hits lower, oh wow, 500. They're trying to. Do I need stop loss or not? Do I need my first stop loss? That sketchy plays too long. Okay. What's that? Oh, okay. Okay. I just saw 500 failed. Push it to the limit. Wow. You see, one contract makes me freaking 50 bucks. I mean, I can exit now, but look at that. Take those highs, my bro, with all those stops above. 70 bucks. What is this level? It's $50 if it goes against me. Okay, it went against me. I lost again. Yeah, that's usually it pushes further. Yeah, the end is pushing. I just checked. This, yeah, but I don't want to trade into that thing. Ooh, okay. Another? Oh, I don't know where last time price been. Let's make it quick and easy. One to one. 25. They're trying. Wow. Shit, no, it's not one to one. It's definitely better. Look, again, a lot of them, they're not able to push. We're ranging. It does the same thing, a little bit higher, a little bit lower. Once it gets there, I assume that it's gonna follow the trend, something like that, and it should hit this. But I will be trailing, hoping for the good move against. You know what? I will need a little bit lower. No, 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 no. No, no, no. You can't catch me. You can see me. Okay. Okay. I don't mind. You see? Easy plays. Wait, that was just only one account. Shit. Okay. Oh, wow. Not a big of a... Yeah, we got some sale. Oh, that's some big player intention. That's what I just saw. And you see, I'm not kind of greedy. I'm moving it. If I don't move, if I have my stop loss here, that would be the hit. Look at that. Oh, actually, now it's gonna fly. Because these stops of this block... Oh. Questions? Stop losses of this plus stop losses of this little range. What is this? Nothing special. It's like from here. You see, they're just selling. Nobody's buying, but price keeps going up. Now it's another range. Yeah, I wouldn't trade it. Yeah, so far we're just... I don't know what's gonna happen. I made almost like double of my goal today. Yeah, it is actually double. Okay. What is this? Nothing happened here. I don't know what's this, what's that, what's this. Next target, it may be gonna go from the top to the bottom. The point of interest of this thing is at least that, because it scams me, you know that. Look at that. If I wanted to trade that, I would be clicking. I want to see it flush to here. No, I don't want to. All these guys will go negative. It'll be dangerous. It's a lot of shorts here, actually. A lot of people are shorting. Oh, right in the block. I should not be doing that. Yep. Oh, I'm fucked. I'm fucked. Now I see I'm fucked. Because they just took the liquidity and they immediately reversed that. Usually, oh, okay. Yeah, I knew that I'm fucked. So the thing is, when you're above the range, yeah, I'm not done. When I'm above the range, trying to like long it or something, and it immediately hit that and reverses, and you can see it's just like same thing, holding the price before the big flush actually. And now these guys are gonna go to the negative. If I see 200 something here, I would love to trade that. No. Shorts are trying, but they can't. So far. But it's still green for some reason. Absorbed here, absorbed here. Now it's time to see who gonna lose. I need big number of buys without pushing the price. Thank you. Yeah, you see now it's absorbing shorts. Actually no, they're pushing a bit. Oh yeah, look at that. They're trying to sell. But the thing is, they all got absorbed here. That's why I don't want to long it to there. It's easier to find the short. But how would you short if their people are trying to sell and they can't? Scam. Wow, look at that. They just all stuck. I would love to find a short, but I don't see longs here. Okay, 300, 1000. You know what? No, I need this music. Whatever is that music about? No, it's a short. Wow. Shorts are really... Who's gonna win? This thing is green, so it means they're buying, but price doesn't go anywhere. Ultimately low risk. I'm trying to understand who's gonna win. Okay, yeah, longs. All of those guys who were trying to short. Okay. Will it fail? Okay. I just don't even have anything to say. Yeah, if price goes against. Yeah, it's smarter to search for the short from here. That's definitely what I want to say. Or actually, yeah, look. Oh, I missed it on a smaller time frame. But it's a lot of noise from this top to this bottom. And we are exactly on a Fibonacci levels to reject. Let's say it rejects here. Where it will go? Most likely here. Let me 50 to this. We'll see. Yeah, when I see on a Fibonacci like that, absorption, I'm kind of interested in that. Wow, 400. higher. What is this? Okay. Will it take this? If it takes this liquidity, it'll shoot there. Look at that. That's the level of the ending resistance here. 377 is pretty good short. Maybe. No, it's not. It's a block here. Let's see what Bitcoin does. Yeah, it's trying to survive. Good. Dogecoin, also same thing. What is this? Dogecoin. Oh, Houston, we got problems. It's gonna go down. Oh wow, I like it. That was my plan, to go long here for the 50 bucks risk. Oh shit. 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 Now I see what's wrong. Oh no, it's 430. Okay. Ooh. I'm like, hey, what's up? Hello. Seen your pretty face. 1. No, that's not my type. Oh yeah, that's exactly. Give me the chance to go positive and I'll leave it. Give me the chance, bitch. Thank you. Not interested. The thing is, I missed. Yes, that would make sense. Okay, now it would make sense to go short. No. Lunchtime is in 1 hour, so New York is chilling. You see, now it's a lot of shorts. Price is failing again to drop. Yeah, they're just selling. Nobody's buying the thing. Oh my god, top of the candle. 50 bucks. No. Now it's dangerous. That's why I'm moving that here. What is this? 17. Will it take the liquidity from that? What is this? Oh. Flatten. Yeah. Done. Okay, I reversed my losses. And in this range, it's already overextended. Doesn't make sense. Do you want to take a look at some shit coins or something? Maybe something. Because yeah, I stream when I get my goals done. Oh my goodness, look at this sale. Market is baiting me. Look at that. 300. Straight into that. 200. Yeah, I'll go. There is a fixed stop of that. Take that. Not that. Oh, you know what? I want to market this thing if I see some more movement. Yep. 100. How much is that? 170, no, 170 is not okay for me. 100 is okay. Oh fuck, I want to get more, but I cannot afford. It's close to my stop loss, but I don't want to move anything. Look at that, it's definitely want to go higher. What the? Oh yeah, I know where it goes. That was nasty liquidity grab. Usually it takes the liquidity to reverse, and I don't know if it was the purchase by the market or it was actually one nice reversal there. Okay, so far it looks fantastic. They're trying to buy, but they cannot. Now they can. Done. Why is it long for those guys? What are these accounts with the longs? Close negative. My main idea is to... Okay, now I'm not playing. Yeah, you see, that was perfect example. When something is not looking right, I like to play with like super extra gains. Just to see until I fail. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. This top. $15. 26, yeah. Oh, it's closing this level, not higher. Shit. I kinda effed it up again. Yeah, you see again, it bought not all of the accounts and I mean contracts. Nope, I'm closing it. Once I... Oh, okay. I just wanted to close it, but okay. Risk of 20 would make sense. Now it doesn't. When it's like that. Of course. Wow. And you see some are opened as a shorts, which I hate, and I'm closing it. Close positive, close positive, close. Yeah. Sometimes it just like it doesn't work properly. I don't know how it works. Okay, little small comeback. but not on the amount of last loss. Ooh, look at that. Look, they're trying. I see that market wants to get this opportunity to dump them. No, it's overextended. It doesn't make sense to short because it's just going up, and it doesn't make sense to long since it's all the resistance. So Blaze, before I lose everything, and which I'm not planning to do, any thoughts, ideas, questions? Yeah, I'm not touching. I just checking that how it all worked. Count performance. Yeah, now it's kind of, oh, look at that. That's what is when they're trying to long, short, long. I don't know. Maybe I need 22. Oh wow, look at that, 332. Holy shit. That's this is what I wanted from the last moment. To come and close till like 40 levels or something. Yeah. That's for today. How it looks like now. Little bump lower. Oh my goodness. That looks fantastic. $1,000 of contracts being bought extra. Wow, they cannot sell again. But buying this is sketchy. Buying here is smart. $67 from here. Nope, it's not smart anymore. Absorption. You see? No. I decided not to. I was thinking because it might do very quick flush to this and immediately reverse to it like that. Yeah, the goal of the market right now is this high. Yeah, look. What is these numbers? Oh, when price goes against them, this is where it gets interesting, like that. Oh, you want to go check? That's what I was expecting first. Does it want to? Flush them. Thank you. Maybe now it wants to come back through like freaking this. Look, it's all liquidity here. It just needs one aggressive push. Now it's triggering all the stops, you see? Now these stops, these, right into that trading thing. Not bad so far. 618 is the place. Okay, when I see this, I want to move it more aggressively. That's actually a perfect trade. Tell me that it looks fantastic. You see absorptions here, and they're actually no, they're not trying to buy much, but they're still buying, and stops are here. But if we want to go for some real nice liquidity, I would be super down to write it to here. You know what? Stop buying, start selling. What is my guaranteed? 48 bucks here, and it took 30, no, 20, took 20. No, it looks legit. And the funniest part, you see, I traded small amount. It was just like, you know, it already makes sense. If it flushes lower than this, that's the next spot where I'm placing my, trailing my stop loss with. You see, they're still trying to buy. It's a lot. That's why I would just bring it lower. Because you see, it's 1,000 of contracts. It's like 2,000 of contracts. Ooh. Lower. I want to move it here. Now it's gonna flush here if it goes below. I would just add actually one contract. You know what? You're not losing when you're doing that. Because my stop loss, my target will be here, but I will move my stop loss above that. If it flush, look, that's the strategy of how to make it. If it doesn't take me out, of course. If it takes me out, I'm closing this thing too. Wow, look how they got absorbed here. Oh, it's because some big player was here. You see original heavy push. That's the push. Someone big was there. Okay, closed, finally. Oh, that's, I call this thing Chupa Chups. Oh, look at that, holy shit. Okay. Fibonacci. Low risk. Why wouldn't you buy it? Buy. No. I wish it touched this. It's not that someone was buying, it's just like killing all those shorts. There is no positive buying pressure. Okay. Not yet. I wanted to get there. Okay, I'll just leave it here. I close that. I don't need that. I just don't want to have that. Take me out and show me what you wanted to do. Okay, Blaze. Yeah, I came back with this money again. That was, you know, when I just don't want to, I don't need to see the market, because when I see the market, I want to do some stuff. Especially, I don't do stupid shit first. I start doing it when I'm getting bored. Like right now, it's clearly absorbing the top. You can see. And then gonna get flushed. Okay, that's for you. One for you. With take profit. One here. And one here. Maybe take profit, maybe not. Against shorts. You know what? This, because it absorbed 300 something. And I'll put two more. Stop right here. Why would it even go long? And now it went long. What the fuck? Okay, I'm okay. Still. That's hilarious. Will they be able to push? No, they won't. Okay. That was not necessary. I was just still bored. Okay, Blaze, I'm going out. Thank you for watching Smart Place and Not Very Smart Place. Was that? Yeah, still good. Perfect. Have a fantastic day. Tomorrow I'll be here. We don't have any bank holiday or something. Don't be shy to come here. I'll be happy to see you. What? Oh, it's in China bank holiday and in Europe, but not for the dollar. Oh, tomorrow news. Tomorrow will be volatile day, which is great. I'm turning this off. Oh, you're welcome. Get your questions ready if you need. Have a fantastic day, evening, night, whatever. Bye-bye.